This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play with friends in Perfect Kick 2 full guide. Open the game, tap Multiplayer, invite friends via code or nearby play, choose teams, and ready up to start a match. Communicate roles, assign striker or goalkeeper, and practice set pieces together. Adjust camera and control settings to match each player's comfort. Use quick rematches to build teamwork and review replays to correct mistakes. Set up a smooth match by syncing connection and checking control layouts before inviting friends. Ensure everyone uses stable Wi-Fi or mobile data and closes background apps to reduce lag. Agree on match rules, duration, and custom settings so no confusion. Share controller preferences and test a short warm-up to calibrate timing. If someone lags, swap positions or restart the lobby to maintain fair play and quick pacing during sessions. Quick recommendation: if you play long sessions, stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle because it keeps drinks cold and has a leak-proof lid. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Check the description for the Owala link and other deals to pick up one for practice days. The bottle fits cup holders and motivates breaks between matches. Now let's get back to the video. Coordinate attacks with simple signals like left stick moves or quick chat messages so everyone knows the plan. Practice passing drills in warm-up to improve timing and one-touch finishes for fast breaks. Rotate roles after each game to develop versatile players and prevent burnout. Use replays to spot positioning errors and praise good plays to boost morale. Keep sessions short and focused, track progress, and celebrate small improvements to build lasting teamwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.